Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to download and install PayPal on phone, and now let's dive right in. Now to download and install the PayPal app on your phone, first open up your Play Store. And after opening your Play Store, guys, you can see the search button at the bottom of the screen just beside the apps. Tap on the search button at the bottom of the screen. And over here at the top of the screen you can see there is the search bar available for us. Here again, tap on the search bar and type in the key and type in PayPal over here like this and tap on enter, and let's search for it. And you can see the PayPal app is available for us at the top of the screen. Tap on it and this interface will open where you can see the install button on over here, which is in the blue in a big button. You can see, tap on it and let's let it load. And you can see, guys, the PayPal app has been installed, and let's tap on the open button and your PayPal app will open, where you'll be required to log into your account first, or you will be required to sign up for an account. Either ways, the PayPal app will be installed on your phone like this, and you can see it's either log in or sign up. You can see the sign up button here as well. You can enter your email address or enter your phone number, whichever you had used to create your PayPal account, and log in. And with that being said, guys, this is how to download and install PayPal app on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys.